Adobe Photoshop, a versatile raster graphics editor used for image editing, photo manipulation, and digital art creation. It offers advanced features for retouching, color correction, and design composition. Adobe Illustrator, a vector graphics editor used for creating logos, icons, illustrations, and other scalable graphics. It uses mathematical equations to define shapes, making designs easily resizable without quality loss. Adobe InDesign, primarily used for desktop publishing and layout design, InDesign is ideal for creating magazines, brochures, posters, and interactive PDFs. CorelDRAW, a comprehensive vector graphics software that offers illustration, layout, and design tools. It's suitable for creating logos, illustrations, and print materials. Affinity Designer, a powerful vector graphics editor that rivals Adobe Illustrator, with advanced features for precision design and a modern interface. Affinity Photo, similar to Adobe Photoshop, Affinity Photo is a raster graphics editor that supports photo editing, retouching, and digital painting. Sketch, popular among UI/UX designers, Sketch is a vector-based design tool specifically crafted for web and app interface design. Figma, a cloud-based design tool for collaborative UI/UX design. It enables real-time collaboration, prototyping, and design systems creation. Canva, a user-friendly online tool with a drag-and-drop interface. Canva is great for creating social media graphics, presentations, posters, and marketing materials. GIMP, an open-source raster graphics editor comparable to Photoshop, offering various tools for photo manipulation, image retouching, and graphic design. Procreate, an iPad app favored by digital artists for its natural media emulation and extensive brush customization options. Adobe XD, designed for user experience and user interface design, Adobe XD facilitates wireframing, prototyping, and interactive design for web and mobile apps. AutoCAD, primarily used in architecture, engineering, and construction industries, AutoCAD is a software for 2D and 3D computer-aided design, CAD. Blender, notably used for 3D modeling, animation, and rendering, Blender is an open-source software suitable for creating 3D graphics, visual effects, and even video games. Cinema 4D, a 3D modeling, animation, and rendering software popular in the motion graphics and visual effects industries.